Hello everyone. Our team name is Fame Gamers. We students are Snehalata S, Sweta N, Saranyai, Sweta G, Satyapriya and Vakati Anusha. And our mentor is Dr. M. N. Vimal Kumar. We have designed a website that consists of various traditional games that evokes nostalgia of our childhood memories. These mini games are segregated into 5 categories based on the aspects on which IQ test has been performed, such as logical, cognitive, composure, memory, and instinctive. Thus, we have named our project as Panchtantra, meaning 5 means of accomplishing one's objective. Here is a brief description on the motive and objective of this website. So the first important criteria for improving IQ is the cognitive, which tests the mental ability of perception and judgment, which includes the game Ashtapada, recently known as chess. We have designed this chessboard using AI such that the player will be playing with a computer, and when we hover our cursor on the piece, the various movements can be visualized. The position and the time taken for each piece is shown below. Next criteria is the logical reasoning. This helps in improving problem solving skills. This includes 2048 game and tic-tac-toe. The instructions for the 2048 game is mentioned on the right side, where we combine numbered tile to get a higher numbered tile. We will be starting by pushing the tiles to one corner of the square and thus obtaining a higher number tile. The next game is the tic-tac-toe. This is quite common among school children. We have to combine 3 X's or 3 O's. The score of the respective players will be shown below. Composure is a kind of game that develops the self-control, state of mind and calmness, such as Sundata Palagai and Dhanurveda. Sundata Palagai is also nowadays known as a carom, and Dhanurveda is nowadays known as the archery game. The game is designed in such a way that the board automatically turns for both the player 1 and 2 after when a player completes his turn. Archery was used from the time of Mahabharatam and Ramayana, but due to evolution, the usage has minimized, which has led to the younger generation not knowing it. The above arrow shows the available turns for the player. Playing memory games improve brain functioning and give space to critical thinking, and thus increases the ability to juggle multiple thoughts at one time. Portabiliyadu is a memory game in which you look at several pairs of images arranged randomly, and you will have to use your memory to match the images with their correct pairs. Playing instinctive games boosts one's power of observation, and in this process improves his visual awareness and also improves leadership skills. Two games are assigned in this category: rock, paper, scissors and Sarba Seba. The instruction for the game is mentioned here. This symbol represents a rock, this symbol represents a paper, and this symbol represents a scissor. The score will be mentioned in the end after 5 rounds have been completed. Sarba Seba. This is the old epic snake and apple game which are used to play in our childhood. The snake moves by adding a tile at its end, and apple appears at random location and persists for a random amount of time until the snake eats it. Thank you all for giving us this opportunity. Thank you.